VBScript file system object part 2. See, in the last class we discussed file system object, how to create file system object. Next, create a folder, delete a folder. Next, create text file, read data. Next, writing examples. Writing examples pending. Say, write data, or you can say export data. Write data to a text file. Say, see, in order to perform any file system operation, file system object required. To perform text related operations, internal operations, text stream object also required. Say, dim obj fso, next obj text stream. Next, create file system object. You know how to create file system object. Set variable equal to obj fso equal to create object of class value scripting dot file system object. Scripting dot file system object. Next, create text stream object. Set variable equal to file system object obj fso dot. Suppose if file already exists, use open text file method. If file not exist, use create text file method. Suppose create text file of path for storing, the file. Just a minute. For example, abc.txt. Write mode 2. Say, next, for example, num1 comma num2 comma res num1 equal to 10. Using colon symbol we can join statements. If it is small statement, num2 equal to 20, res equal to num1 plus num2. Suppose I want to export that result. Obj text stream dot write next message message optional. Addition of num1 comma num2 is concatenate res. Next, close the file, internal closing, dot close. Next, release the memory for all two objects. Set obj text stream equal to nothing. Next, set obj fso equal to nothing. Observe on desktop, no ABC file exists. It will create the file and export the data. Run the script. See ABC file created. Open the file. See data exported. For example, file already exists. At time use open text file. Open text file method. Suppose one more output. Multiplication. Multiplication of num1 comma just a minute. Suppose res2 equal to num1 into num2. Run the script. Open the file. See, continuously writing. This is a write method. Write continuously. Next, write line. Run the script. Open the file. See, writing line by line. See, write data line by line. Next, write data continuously. Next, for example, file mode A8. Run the script. Observe Ritu, appending na. Already to see write means overwrite. Append means it appends at end of the record. This time appending na.
Yes, sir.
See, in the last class some problem, but today it is executing properly. See, observe. Now 4 lines. Already 4 lines. Run the script once again. Open the file. Now 6 lines. Appending. See, 3 flavors of writing. Write continuously. Write line by line. Next, append. append. See, so far we discussed some high level operations. Example, create a folder, delete a folder, copy a folder, create text file, delete text file, etc. Next, some internal operations, text related operations, read data, read character by character, read line by line, read all. Next, writing examples, write continuously, write line by line. Next, append. Next, comparison example. Okay, before comparison example, I will show one more write example, different example. Concentrate. See, my requirement is read button names from login dialog box and export to a text file. Read button names from login dialog box and export to a text file. Export means writing. Observe. See, file system object and text stream object. Next, create description object. We created description object in dynamic descriptive programming chapter. Remember, Saujanya, tell me how to create description object. Suppose variable O button, object button. Tell me how to create description object. Create description object.
So scripting dot description. Description dot and object name.
Object name. No. Ritu, can you tell me how to create description object?
Yes, sir. Set O button is equal to description dot create.
Okay, good. Set variable equal to description dot create. Okay.
Provide properties and values information in data.
Okay. And next, provide properties. Provide
O button.
Property information. Property, not properties. Yeah. O button of. Just a minute. O button of. Just a minute. I want buttons. See, tools, objects by take hand icon, show the button, any button. Here property name, class name, value is win button, test object class name,
dot
value equal to test object class name win button. Next, object hierarchy. You take one more variable. For example, buttons. Store object reference, set variable equal to object hierarchy. Here in this scenario, observe Saujanya, in this scenario in this login dialog, who is the parent object for buttons? Parent object for buttons.
Agent name and password.
Agent name, password, 8 boxes. They
Yes,
are also
okay,
childs.
property. Okay. Property is login, sir.
What I am asking? Who is the parent object for buttons? OK button, cancel button, help buttons are there now. Who is the parent object for buttons in this scenario?
Flight sample.
Just a minute. Take objects by. Show the button, any button. Observe the object hierarchy. Who is the parent for button? Who is the parent?
Login, sir.
Dialog box. Login is name.
Dialog box or log. Okay. Dialog.
Login is object name. Dialog box is object.
Okay.
See, dialog of. You can use shared object repository method or descriptive programming. Text : equal to login dot. See, in methods chapter, I didn't introduce this child objects method. It is time to introduce child objects of description object, O button. Next, you can display MSG box buttons dot count, or you can export. Export button names. See, for loop required. For I equal to 0, index starts from 0 to n minus 1, buttons dot count minus 1. Suppose index 2, 0 to 2. Next, take one variable. Suppose button equal to dialog of button equal to this one, buttons of index I dot get RO property of text property. See, text value indicates button name. Next, export the value. For example, obj text string dot write line button. Just a minute. For example, blank file, blank. Run the script. Say buttons count 3. Open the file. Observe Samir. Button names exported na. Samir.
Yes, sir.
Exported na. For example, observe Saujanya. I want to export edit box names. In this login dialog, we have two edit boxes. I want to export, I want to count edit boxes and export edit boxes names to external text file. Guide me. Just
So
change the
again,
script.
we need to add two more objects, that is agent name and password, or anything. First thing is we need to add something, right, sir? Like, you know.
We no need to add anything.
Oh, we don't need to. Okay. Then instead of win buttons,
instead of win button,
we can change it to win edit.
Win edit. This one is okay. Okay, forget about O button or O edit. Instead of O button, you can use O edit. That is variable. That is not the concern. Okay. Next, here parent same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next,
and I think
agent name, password. What is that property?
Those are text. Yeah, we need to look for the property, text property or not.
Suppose attached text, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Attached text. See, observe the text blank for 8 boxes. Attached text. Attached text value is agent name. Next, password, same. Attached text. You take this attached text property.
Yeah. And we can paste that instead of text.
Instead of text, attached text.
Yeah. And if we run, I think we should get that.
2. Edit box is 2. Next, yes, open the file. Agent name, password. Okay, na?
Password. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Leave as it is. O button. Next, text. Just change the class name and property. Run the script. 3. OK, cancel help. Just a minute. If you want header in the file obj textstream dot write line header message, just button names, just underline, optional. Run the script. 3. Open the file. Observe header and buttons. Okay, now Dinesh, did you understand this concept, this logic?
Yes. Yes, thank you.
Welcome. Say, for Windows-based applications, you use class name. For web-based applications, use MIC class, Microsoft Integer Conversion class. In trial versions, class name not working for web-based objects. Use MIC class. For Windows-based also, you can use MIC class. Observe, MIC class. This is common for Windows-based applications and web-based applications. Run the script. 3. Open the file. Exported. Just a minute. Dinesh, you have to guide me. Same example. Observe. My requirement is read link names. First count link names in rediff.com and export link names to a text file. That is my requirement. Observe. My requirement is read first count links in read if home page and read link names, read if home page, first task, count links, next read link names and export to a text file or flat file. This is my requirement. Same requirement, this time web application. Guide me Dinesh from scratch.
Okay, so first we need to declare the variable dim.
Just a minute. Dim. Okay. OB file system object required.
Yeah.
Text stream object also required.
Okay.
Next, description object. For example, O link. Next, for storing object reference links. Next, link name. Okay. Next, first create file system object.
Yeah, set objfso equals to.
Set objfso. Just a minute. Equal to.
Create object of scripting.filesystemObject.
Scripting.filesystemObject.
Yes.
File system object. Next, create text stream object. Suppose, for example, file already exists on desktop. Now create text stream object. Set
obj text stream
equal to quick. File system object objfso dot file already exists on desktop.
Create text file.
File already exists on desktop. You no need to create. Then what is the method?
Exist one. The file.
Open text file. What I told. If file not exist, use create text file method. If file already exist, use open text file method. Next,
okay.
File path. File path.
Properties.
Comma file mode. We are going to read the data. What is the read file mode? We are going to write the data. What is the write mode?
2.
Close the parenthesis. Next, create description object.
Set variables. Set name of the.
Set variable.
Yeah, link.
Variable equal to
description.create.
Good. Description dot create. Say file system object and text stream object are global objects. Global objects. we can use these objects for any type of scripting, not only in UFT, but this description object is local object exclusively created for UFT. Next, store object reference. Set variable equal to just a minute. Here we are going to first store object reference. Store property information. Store property information. O link of make class
dot value equals to
what is the test object name for link?
Browser.
Test object name for link object. Link only. Observe.
Okay.
Tools, object spy, take hand icon, show the link, any link. Link. What is the class name?
Link.
Link only. See. Enter test object class name, link. Next, store object reference. Observe. In this example, who is the parent for link object? Page. Parent for page object. Browser. Take hand icon. Show the link. Any link. Observe the object hierarchy. Link, page, browser. Take that object hierarchy. For example, you generate one statement using recording or descriptive programming. Suppose just stop. Set links equal to browser dot page dot continue.
Link.
Not link. Browser dot page. Page is parent for links. Child objects of O link. O link is description object. Next, count MSG box links dot count. Next, read link names. Read link names and export. Just a minute. Tools, object spy, take hand icon, show the link. Here, which property is indicating link name? Here, use name or text property. Just a minute. You can use text property or name property or outer text. Okay, try to use text property. For, continue Dinesh, for
I
equal to index starts from 0 to
link dot count -1.
-1. Step 1. Next, export. Suppose obj direct, you can directly export text stream dot write line. This link name variable also optional. You can directly export. Write line space links. This one object reference. Links of I dot getRO property of, you can use text or name. Next, obj text stream dot close. Next, set obj text stream equal to nothing. Next, set objfso equal to nothing. Just run the script. How many links? 279. See, observe the yellow arrow marker. Reading over. Open the file. Observe Dinesh. Link names exported na? All link names.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You put mute. Now, Samir, I want header and serial number for this file. Header and serial number. Generate. Samir. Header and serial number.
We can use
for header, for example, before for loop,
we can write
obj textstream dot write line.
Total number of links. Something.
Just a minute. Header, link names. Any meaningful name you can use. Link names. Next, second one is optional. Write line. Next, serial number. I want serial number.
So in the for loop, what we can do is
you take one variable. For example, SNO equal to 0, 0 or 1. Okay, 1. Starting 1 na.
Yeah.
Here SNO concatenate. Just a minute. Suppose bracket optional. Again concatenate. Next, increment required na. Increment.
No, we can concatenate with value of I, right? So I is changing.
Yes. You can use I also instead of another one. See, readability point of view, I am using another variable. Otherwise, you can use I also. Good. Suppose here I value, starting value 0 na. But
so we
have to use I plus 1 na.
Yeah, so we can put in bracket I plus 1.
See, without brackets also you can use. Next, I equal to I plus 1. Okay na?
Yeah.
Run the script. Put base state. $279. Observe yellow arrow marking. Over. Open the file. Observe Saujanya.
Yes, sir.
See, serial number 279 links exported na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Just a minute. Next, come to important example, comparison example. Comparison. Search operation example also there that I will explain in regular expressions chapter. Why? For search operations, regular expression object also required. Combination of file system object and regular expression object. That we will discuss in regular expression regular expressions chapter. Next, in this chapter, we will discuss one more important example, comparison example. We have three types of comparisons: compare by size, compare by text, compare by binary values. Exact match. See, my example is compare. Just a minute. Compare two text files. Compare two text files by size, by text, and by binary values. Exact match. Textual comparison, no case sensitive, but binary comparison, exact match. Sensitive, binary values. This is my requirement. Just a minute. See, UFT, Selenium, load runner. Just copy the same data, create one more file, AXYZ. Save. See, take the size externally, take the size manually, select the file and right click, properties, observe size on disk 4 KB. Next, another file, same 4 KB. See, manually you can identify, you can compare by size, both are same. Okay, using VBScript. Here, see, up to now we handled single text file. In this example, working with multiple text files, working with multiple files. How to work with multiple files? See, just create multiple text stream objects. Text stream object 1, text stream object 2, like that. See, remember, main object, file system object, always only one file system object. But you can create one or more text stream objects. For example, if you want to handle single file, create single text stream object. If you want to work with multiple files, create multiple text stream objects. Okay. First, I want to work with two files in this scenario. See, dim objfso, obj text stream 1. And one more thing, for textual comparison and binary comparison, we need to read the data. For reading data, text stream objects required. For size comparison, no text stream object required. Why? Size is external comparison, external operation. Main object is enough. See, first size comparison. File 1, file 2. Set obj fso equal to create object of scripting dot file system object. See, comparison, condition required, condition. First, take the paths into these variables. File1 equal to take the path file1 equal to within double quotes. Next, file2 equal to xyz. Okay, before comparing these two files, just take the size, just displaying MSG box objfso dot get file. See, we have multiple files. Get file of file path file1 dot size. Just a minute. Nothing. Run the script. It is showing 25. Get file file1. Observe, Ritu, what is the problem? Why it is showing get file file1 dot size? What is the size of the file in terms of bytes? Oh, okay, size, not size on disk. How many bytes?
25 bytes.
25 bytes. Okay, it's showing correctly. Run the script once again. 25 bytes. Actual size. If you want message, concatenate bytes. Before value also you can use message. For example, file 1 size is concatenate run the script. See, file 1 size is 25 bytes. Next, same file 2 size. File 2 size is get file 2. Run the script. File 1 size 25 bytes. File 2 size also 25 bytes. Just add one more letter in file 2. 1 byte will be increased. Run. File 1 size 25 bytes. File 2 size 26 bytes. Just a minute. Remove this A. Now same. Okay, we are taking the size of files. Next, compare. compare two text files by size. See, condition required. If obj fso dot get file of file1 dot size equal to objfso dot get file of file2 dot, just a minute, close parenthesis, file2 dot size. Then you can write any meaningful message. MSG box, files are same by size, else files are not same. Not same. Run the script. 25 bytes, 25 bytes. Files are same by size. For example, add one more letter in second file or first file. Save. Run the script. 25 bytes first file, second file 26 bytes. Files are not same. Okay na, Saujanya, size comparison. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, text comparison, textual comparison. See, size comparison is external comparison. Using file system object you can compare, but textual comparison and binary comparison, internal comparisons, you need to read the data. Here we have to handle two files. Create two text stream objects. Obj text stream 1 comma obj text stream 2. You create first text stream object. Just a minute. Guide me, Saujanya. Create first text stream object.
Set object text stream equal 1 equal to file1.
Objfso.
No, objfso dot
open text file
of we can give the path. Of the
already
file,
we stored path into file1 variable na.
So we can give file1 then.
File1. Next, same.
And
file2.
Same.
Text stream object.
Set obj text stream 2 equal to objfso dot text file 2.
File2. Okay, over. Next, say if you want to compare two values or two variables, simple. But here we have to compare entire file content. No problem. You read entire file content into a variable. I am taking variable. Suppose my content 1, my content 2. Read entire file content into variable. You know how to read. Samir, how to read entire file content into a variable? how to read entire file content into a variable. Dinesh. Ritu. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, say yes or no. How to read entire file content into a variable?
Yeah. Variable. Set variable.
Not required. Set is required.
Yeah.
Set is for storing object reference. Here we are storing value to variable.
Okay, variable.
Variable
is
equal to
obj text string.
yes, obj text stream 1 dot read all.
Yeah, read all.
Read all. Why you are confusing? We already discussed read all method. Next, my content 2. My content 2. obj text stream 2 dot read all. Okay. We are reading the data. Next, compare two text files by text. See here, remember string comparison function. If strcomp of my content 1 comma my content 2 comma compare mode. What is the textual compare mode? Saujanya, textual compare mode. What is the value? Textual compare mode. Hey, people are responding very slowly.
1, sir.
1. Binary 0. Default is binary only. Then MSG box.
Yeah.
Files are same by text. Else not same.
Okay.
Next, compare two text files by binary values. Exact match. Here compare mode 0. Otherwise leave. By default binary mode. Default mode is binary. Files are same by binary values, or you can say ASCII values. Not same. Next, complete the formalities. obj text stream 1 dot close. Next, obj text stream 2 dot close. Next, release the memory for all three objects. Set obj text stream 1 equal to nothing. Next, set obj text string 2 equal to nothing. Okay. Observe file ABC, file XYZ, remove this A. Now same data, cases also same, no difference. Text also no difference. Binary values also no different. See expected output here in this script, 3 outputs. First output, files are same by size. Second output, expected. Second output, files are same by text. Last output, files are same by binary values. Run the script. Files are same by size. Files are not same by text. What is the problem? Just a minute. This one okay. This one okay. One problem is there. Observe. String comparison of, you didn't alert me. String comparison of my content 1 comma my content 2 comma 1 equal to 1 equal to Samir. What is the result constant? If string 1 equal to string 2, then
should be 0.
0. Here also same. If string 1 comma string 2 equal to 0. Now run the script. Files are same by size. Files are same by text. Files are same by binary values. Next, just a minute. See, content same. Suppose small UFT. Now, what are the 3 expected outputs? Saujanya, tell me what are the 3 expected outputs?
Sir, all the 3 will be like
files are same by size, okay?
Files not same by size. Yeah, files are same by size, maybe okay, but the rest of the 2 will be
text also same na. What is the problem? Text. See here in this file, capital letters.
Sir, it's a lowercase, right?
Then what? See, textual comparison, not case sensitive na.
Okay, sir.
Textual comparison, not case sensitive. So files are same by text. Text also same. Next, binary values not same. Binary values exact match. See, 3 expected outputs. First is files are same by size. Next, files are same by text. Next, files are not same by binary values. Run the script. By size same, text same. Next, files are not same by binary values. Okay, na Dinesh, did you understand this example? Any confusion?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. See, these are the important file system operations for our test automation. One more example also there, that is search operations, that I will explain in regular expressions chapter.